Hello friends, Namaste and welcome to my channel Ripples on Road. Today I am in front of a fish market, one of the biggest fish market in Chennai. So you can see behind me, that is the entrance to the fish market, and I hope you will enjoy this vlog. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. So friends, this is how the fish market looks from outside. Beautiful photos. You can see tuk-tuk, and this is the place where you park your two-wheelers. And here, as you see, there are some women sitting. Those when you buy the fish, you can bring it to them and they clean and give it to you. So friends, Vanakam. Vanakam in Tamil means welcome. So welcome to the fish market. This is my first visit to this market. I have never visited this, and you can see some the people, they are cleaning the fish, and no, I don't know what's there inside, but it will surely, because there's so many people coming out, surely it must be something very good to see today. And see here also beautiful photographs of fishermen coming back from fishing. So as I enter, you can see the hustle and bustle and the noise. And what impressed me is the cleanliness. You can see how clean the place is, and you can see how well arranged. Everything is so neat and tidy and everything. No, rubbish around. And I have come to buy some prawns, white prawns, and let me see what's here. So yeah, this is the prawns, but I wanted a bigger size, and let me see how much he's telling this. 250, yeah, so that he said 250 rupees for 1 kg. So here in this fish market you get different types of means. Mean means fish. So in Tamil or Malayalam we call it mean. Mean means fish. So here you get sora mean, that is shark, aila, that is Indian mackerel, then naku means soulfish, sankara, Indian red snapper, matti means sardine, and then jalebi means tilapia, then nai mean seerfish, and like this clam is a very very nice word, chippy, very nice word for clams. Then tengapara, sorry, not talaipara, tengapara, that's a different type, and then stingrays also. So different types of fish. Yeah, and now I'll show you. This is natoli. What I have showed you is natoli. Natoli means that's called in English. Natoli is anchovy. Yeah, anchovy. And then you can see the kingfish here. This the long one is a kingfish. Then lot of crabs I have seen here. So it's very interesting here, and also I've never seen so many varieties of fish. So that's about this. You can see sankara, that is Indian red snapper you saw just now, and you can see the sound, and here you can see some live mud crabs. So these are not sea crabs, but these are mud crabs. And let me take you up and show you how crowded it is. Many people are wearing masks, some of them are not wearing it, but that's okay, because the COVID cases but I am wearing a mask. So here you can see a lady. She takes it from here and she goes to sell it to the residents. So she will be carrying it on her head, and she will be going the by-lanes and selling the fish. And now I am seeing here there are a lot of people and so many fish here. You can see here there are I think Indian mackerel, and see this guy, and this guy brings the catch from the lorries, or what you call the trucks, and then he goes and give it.
Something 2 kg. 1 kg? 1 kg 300 only. Okay. 350 before. Situation and 300. It's okay, go.
You will come on YouTube.
YouTube, what channel?
Ripples on road from Mumbai.
Mumbai, request on
Ripples
of Mumbai.
Ripples on road.
Ripples on road.
Ripples on road.
I will subscribe, I like it.
Yeah. But let me stop it.
Yeah.
Your name?
My name is R Ponnarassan.
How many years you are doing this business?
My dad is business in work there. Dad is 40 years in this one.
Okay, so his dad is doing this business for 40 years.
Yeah.
And now he has started. How many years you are doing?
Degree in BCom finished.
Oh, he has done his degree in BCom.
Yeah.
Oh, commerce. He has done his degree in commerce.
BCom.
Okay.
I finished in college finished. Job in other, that is my own business, own life.
Very good.
Own business.
No, I am very happy. He's an educated person, but because he didn't get a job, he started working as a fisherman, fish seller. So thank you.
It's okay.
Again, tell me your full name.
R Ponnarassan.
R Ponnarassan.
Yeah.
So you're from Chennai.
No, Palarkad.
Where it is?
Tiruvallur district.
Tiruvallur.
Yeah,
Okay.
Pulicat taluka.
Thank you very much.
It's okay.
Okay.
So friends, I met a very interesting person, Ponnarassan, and he invited me to his house also. So I'll be visiting. Actually, I decided to visit Pulicat. The place where he lives is known as Pulicat. That's the English name. And that is the first Dutch settlement. I will be telling more about that. So this is 230 rupees per kg. So, and I was pretty lucky to come early in the morning and come here. So now you can see. Now I'll show you from here. This is stingrays. Yes, this is stingrays, and I hope you all enjoyed this. See the size of the fish. So big. I don't know what it is, whether it is shear fish. I think it's a shear fish. I was speaking to many people. Now here you can see crabs. Then there's another fish. I don't know the names of this, but here I can see some the lot of what do you call kingfish. That is we call surmai in English here in Mumbai. And this is stingrays. Lot of crabs. Here you can see the surmai, what we call the kingfish. This is such big size. And one thing very interesting what I saw here is the cleanliness. It's so clean here. I've never visited a fish market so clean, so beautiful, so well maintained, and it's kept on a height so that people don't have to bend down. And here they are packing some ice. And now let me take you outside. Let me show you how the fish arrives in this market. You can see a person bringing it on his head. Each box contains about 50 kg of fish. So one person carries about 50 kg. So this is 50 kg. And this trucks or lorries, what we call in India. So this has they have come from. Actually, they are some are locally based. That is from Tamilnadu. That's the state where I am. So friends, I decided to buy this one, this prawns. It is little big in size, so I wanted this. So he's packing for me, and I decided to buy about 2 kg. Let me see. Yes, this is the, and that's about 2 kg. He knows how much 2 kg comes. And
Danesh.
Danesh.
friends, I gave my prawns to clean here. This boy is just 18 years complete.
పేరేంది
చంద్రు
చంద్రు ఎవడ చెన్నై
చెన్నై చిందరపేట.
So I am speaking to him in Tamil.
So friend, this guy, what he does is he loads the box from there, the fish box, and he takes it to the market inside. So he charges etram parne Tamil ambada means 50 rupees. So per box he charges 50 rupees.
30 kilo tuna.
ఎట్లా కిలో 30
kilo tuna 50.
And the parent
Shiva.
Shiva, his name is Shiva. So he charges for one box 50 rupees. Thank you.
So friends, now I have come down and you can see these boxes. They are brought from different states. So they come from Karnataka, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, but also from Tamilnadu. So this what I am showing you, this all the lorries or trucks, what you call it, have come from Andhra Pradesh. So this is where you get the ice. So this the big blocks of ice are crushed here, and now they are enjoying here. There is no much work. Early morning they finish the work. So friends, you can see I am moving around to see how the fish, when they arrive, what they do with this. So here you can see lot of fishes, lot of fish here. They have come here, and they are all. Most of them have come from Andhra Pradesh, and this is Sankara. Sankara means Indian red snapper. So,
And the parent Prakash.
Agilan. Shiva.
Shiva. So friends, they brought this. This Andhra. This has come from Andhra Pradesh, and now they are uploading it. Chennai Fish Market. So now they are taking it inside. So not loading it, they are unloading it. You can see. One more has come. So Andhra Pradesh is the main supplier of fish to Chennai. So they are putting some ice here. This is all fresh fish. It has just arrived from the sea.
So friends, I just wanted to show you this photograph. So beautiful. You can see the fishermen. They are bringing their catch back home. So huge it is, but looks so beautiful. It's a great inspiration for me for doing some paintings. So beautiful, right?
So he's taking money for parking. So parking money.
money.
So you have 5 rupees. So you can see so much money in his hand.
Give me.
Your parent?
Andesh.
Sandesh.
Andesh.
Andesh. Oh.
These are called chattis, where they cook food, then some knives and other things. And these are dry fish. So dry prawns and dry fish, so many of them.